here's everything that just happened in AI this week. So let's get right into it. Starting off with Google, the company just replaced Google Assistant with Gemini for Home. It's powered by Gemini's large language model, making your smart speaker way more conversational. The premium plan costs $10 a month, and users can already access it through the Google Home app with Nest device support coming next year. This marks Google's biggest step yet toward turning your smart home into a true conversational AI experience. Next up, Google unveiled its most powerful AI chip yet, the Ironwood TPU. It's about 10 times faster than Google's last chip TPU and 4 times faster than the one before that. Ironwood focuses on real-time AI reasoning and connects over 9,000 TPUs in a single superpod. Companies like Anthropic and Vimeo are already using it to cut energy costs and boost performance. Moving on, Sam Altman says OpenAI expects to hit a whopping $20 billion in revenue by the end of this year, up from just $1.3 billion in 2023. Altman also revealed his plans to invest $1.4 trillion over the next 8 years to meet AI compute demand, while rejecting any kind of government bailout. In his words, if OpenAI wins, investors win. If it fails, taxpayers shouldn't pay the price. The growth is expected to come from business tools, AI gadgets, and cloud services, all growing faster than ever. And finally, Apple is teaming up with Google to use a custom version of Gemini to power its upcoming Siri upgrades. Apple will reportedly pay around $1 billion a year to Google for using their AI model, helping power AI features across iPhones and Macs. Tim Cook says the new AI-powered Siri is expected to launch next spring alongside Apple Intelligence. Now moving on to some quick AI headlines before we wrap up. OpenAI's Sora is now available on Android across the US, Canada, and more regions. Microsoft plans to invest $7.9 billion in AI infrastructure and talent across the UAE by 2029. OpenAI just signed a $38 billion cloud computing deal with Amazon. And finally, Anthropic expands in Europe with new offices in Paris and Munich. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss what's coming next.